So I received my Royal Enfield yesterday with the rear disc. As you can see the wear pattern up there. It's not supposed to be there, but it was, so I took it to the showroom. They took it to the service center and they solved that issue. They adjusted some free play over here, and the mechanic said that the discs are new and they take some time to wear out and match the rotors. So that was justified and I was okay. In the process the bike got dirty and they again polished the bike. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Motor Gorilla. Today here we are at Royal Enfield Voyage Motor Service Center. They have basically, as you can see inside, they have organized a small workshop for all the Interceptor owners for the basic knowledge of bikes, about what and what not to do and how you can DIY some of the things on the Interceptor. There's quite a turn up, 20 people. They are even updating the ECU up here if you want to. Getting my ECU reprogrammed for free, as you can see there. There are other bikes here as well for the same purpose. Okay, so guys, we are here at APDworks और हम लोग ये हेडलाइट इंस्टॉल करने वाले हैं. तो बाय बाय.
सेटिस्फैक्शन. ये कौन सी कंपनी का लाइट है और आपने कहाँ से लिया और कितने को जाएगा?
रेस बी का भेजा गया है बाय मिस्टर IdlerExperiments फ्रॉम ओडिशा.
ओके,
सो बिग शाउट आउट टू हिम.
यस,
थैंक यू. और ये अभी इंस्टॉल करेंगे और उसके बाद दिखाएंगे कैसा लग रहा है. तो चलो.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. 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 It's all about humanity.
Okay, so I'm done with the PPF and headlight swap, all thanks to this guy. It's around 3 o'clock and we are just done with the work. Now I'm headed home because it has stopped raining and this guy is sleepy as fuck. Thanks AP. And guys, if you want to get your PPF done, you know whom to contact.